As the first light of dawn barely touches the valley, the sky explodes into chaos. Dragons dive like living comets, unleashing streams of fire that carve molten rivers through earth, stone, and metal, turning the battlefield into a blazing inferno. Panic ripples through human lines as towers crumble and shields melt. But amid the chaos, survivors fight with desperate brilliance, luring dragons into narrow cliffs, shrouding the battlefield with choking smoke, triggering deadly traps, and coordinating attacks with a precision born of sheer survival instinct. Against all odds, a massive dragon crashes spectacularly, its roar echoing like thunder as embers rain around it, and for a fleeting moment, hope surges through the battered humans. Yet silence falls like a shroud as the remaining dragons circle above, their eyes locked on the fallen, while the ancient watcher descends with calm, terrifying authority, its restrained fury more fearsome than fire itself. The valley holds its breath, knowing the dragons are learning, evolving with every strike. Just as survivors rally, the watcher lets out a bone-shaking roar that splits the sky.
We must retreat deeper underground. No! Argument dragons he killed. Precious time is lost. Above them.
You wounded them.